Hi everybody, I'm Carrie from the Frog Project, and this short routine is wonderful for after lunch if you're feeling a little bit groggy, a little bit tired, and you need a bit of a pick-me-up for your afternoon. Perfect if you've just eaten, not too much, but a little bit is fine, and you just want to reset, hit reset. So bring yourself onto your knees. This is Vajrasana pose, kneeling pose. If there's any discomfort, you can bring a pillow to the backs of your calves there. Rest your hands on your thighs, palms facing up. Close your eyes, soften your face, your shoulders. Take a couple of breaths here. Allow everything to settle. When you're ready, and gently opening your eyes, lean to the side. Bring yourself onto your hands and your knees for your tabletop pose. Spread through those fingers. Relax the knees, relax the wrists. As you inhale, press into the hands, drop the belly. Bring the back of the head towards the tailbone, look up. And as you exhale, round the center of the spine towards the sky, all the breath out. And keep moving here a few more times, however it feels nice for you. Maybe leaning forward, maybe leaning back a little bit. Maybe even some round and round of the rib cage. Just moving into all four corners of your body. Imagine if your body had corners, how it would feel to move into every single corner. And then leaning into one side, stepping your outside foot forward. Softening in, heel toe that foot to the center of the mat and just leaning here, softening into your low lunge. Leaning left, leaning right. Head and neck nice and heavy. Stay here or push through that foot. Bring your hands to your thigh. Stay here or raise your arms to the sky. Take a big breath in to fill the body up, and as you exhale, lower this inside hand. Peel your open arm to the sky. Nice big breath in and then lean into that hand. Send that back knee back. Coming back to your tabletop. Rolling around and then lean to the opposite side. Step your other foot forward and soften into your low lunge. Adjust what you need and softening here. Let the body be heavy, the head and neck be heavy as you lean side to side. Passing your weight between the palms is a really nice way to feel a bit of softness, a bit of space in those hips. So stay here or take a breath, bring your hands up to your thigh. Stay here or take a breath, raise your arms to the sky. Nice big breath, stretch everything up, and as you exhale, soften into those hips. Another breath just like that. And exhale, lower the inside arm to the floor. Open up the opposite arm to the sky. Take a nice big breath as you do. Feel your chest, your ribs opening up. Then keep leaning into this hand, into this knee as you bring your front foot back. Come into your tabletop. Another round or two of breath here. And then tuck your toes. Lift your knees just an inch off the floor. Feel the front of the body magnetize to the back of the body. Take a breath. And then slowly begin to straighten your legs. Pressing through your hands. Feel your whole back of your body opening up. Then inhale, lift up onto those toes. Pause for a moment. Lower the knees, untuck the feet, and send your hips back. For your child's pose, forehead finds the floor. Couple of breaths here. If you've anything to let go, a big sigh through the mouth. And whenever you're ready, you can stay there, of course, for as long as you like. But when you feel ready, take a breath in, peel yourself up. Back onto those knees for Vajrasana. Bookmarking, bookending your practice. And you can stay here for as long as you like. Soft shoulders, soft face, palms up or down. And when you're ready, gently opening your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing. I hope you feel better, lighter, brighter, and ready for the next part of your day.